Oops.
Whoa! Who are you?
I think I'm with you now.
Oh, I really want a burger.
Here we go. I'm going to need my space suitcase.
What is this?
You'll see everything. Hands off. First, we need to grind the space meat. Okay, let's keep going. Soon we'll have an incredible space burger. It's time to assemble it. Let's get to work. I've got all the necessary ingredients. And it's ready. Oh yeah.
Cool. Now it's my turn.
Oh, smells incredible. Isn't it great? Well, well, well. Let's give it a try. My burger! Oh, I have a donut and fried chicken left. Oh well. This won't be a typical burger, but I think it will be delicious. There we go. Our burger is ready. Look, it's awesome.
Big deal. I'll show you everything now. Let's teach them how to make awesome burgers. Topping everything with some ketchup. And a bun, of course. And the final touch. Whoa. This looks incredible. We are ready.
Very interesting. Well, this is something completely unusual. Let's give it a try. Interesting. Oh. I will not have this anymore. Moving on to this one. Looks delicious. Taking a bite. Wow, incredible. What about this one? Guys, this is really yummy. I know, this is the winner.
Oh yeah!
What do I want this time? A burger. Please, get started.
I already have an idea. First, making burger patties. Nice. Removing it from the grill. I need a special gadget for burgers. Let's do this. Salad leaves on top, tomato and cheese. Look at that. We are putting it all together.
Delicious.
You're interrupting me. Any burger needs sauce.
Ew.
I've got my secret ingredient.
Ew! Disgusting broccoli!
What's wrong with her? It's just sauce. Pouring it over the burger. Looks delicious. Chef, what is that? Looks like a bun. I need to improve it. Much better.
Hey! What did you do?
It's mine now. Adding the bun. Ready. Chef, what have you come up with?
I know what has to be done. We're making a giant burger. Some ketchup and the rest of the ingredients. Nice. Topping it with a bun and using a special mold. Whoa. Adding some French fries inside. Evelyn loves it. And some cheese sauce over it. This is a masterpiece. Done.
Oops. I have nothing. Wait, let's take some ice cream. It's so delicious. Taking a couple of scoops. Next, I'm dipping it in candy. The more candy, the better. Next, putting ice cream onto the bun and pressing it with a second one. Adding some Nutella. Oh, it's gonna be so sweet. Some candy on top. It's over? All right. Then everything is ready. Bon appetit. Wow! Where do I start? What do we have here? Wow! This burger is so unusual. Taking a bite? Delicious! What else do we have here? Wow! That's a huge burger! Let's give it a try. Yummy! And there are even French fries here. I love them! And the last burger. It's sweet! Awesome! Taking a huge bite. Wow! It's with ice cream! That's cool! Jennifer, you have won! Really? Oh my gosh!
The first task will be jelly in a bottle. Whoa, I already know how to do this. Robo, listen up. Don't eavesdrop. Isn't it a great idea? My partner went to get the first ingredient. And it's bee honey. Oh, I think it's going to fall. Oh no. Bees! They're everywhere!
Oh, there's a whole swarm of bees, Barney. We'll defend ourselves. I'll put a veil on us. I think I'll take the bee repellent. I need to save Quentin. I'll spray them until they fly away.
I was stung by bees, even in my tongue. It's good that my friend has a treatment function. She cures all the bites. Now, I can continue making jelly. Thank you, my partner. You're a savior. Whoa, that's what you need for jelly. Wow. Yeah, let me taste it. Great green lemonade, very carbonated. And what can I do like that?
What a nightmare, Barney. I've got you. Oh, Quentin, hush, hush. Stop it, Barney.
Okay, sorry. Let's continue making jelly. Come on. All the honey in the bottle. Oh, it's gonna turn out great. Now, turn on the cooling mode, and we need to freeze the contents of the bottle. Great! Oh, what is that furry thing hitting me on the face? Barney, get out!
Barney, well done. We can do it with you. Sit down next to me, and you left such great marks on the dough. Look at that. Now we'll have cookies in the shape of your cute paws. We will remove the excess and fry them with a burner. It will be faster. Now we put the paws in a little bottle and pour it all over with honey on top. We need a lot of honey. A lot of honey. Now, we're ready.
It's time to try. I'll start with this bottle. It's so big. Ooh, squeezing out the jelly, along with cookies. Huh. Let me try it. Oh, it's super delicious. Wonderful. And now, let me move on to the green bottle. I squeeze it out, and it turns out to be such a bright green jelly. It tastes really good too. I'll take another bite. It turned out great. I think I like the jelly with cookies the most. It was original.
Oh, wonderful, honey. Barney, you're the greatest.
Oh, it's a pity we didn't win.
Now I want a sandwich. Make me the most delicious one in the world.
Chef Cat, what are you doing?
I need a mold for my sandwich. Look at that! Moving on. Some canned cat food. Meow. That's incredible. There we go. Well, I'm not done yet. Let's take some ham. And I'm cutting the details for the sandwich. We need some cheese now. Ah, incredible. Collecting everything. And voila!
I can't open this ice cream! Ooh, Chef Cat, will you help me?
Of course.
It's very cool! I need to thank him. Here's some fresh milk.
Thank you.
Now let's start making a sandwich. It's gonna be a sweet one. Some ice cream and waffles. And chocolate syrup on top. Let's sprinkle it with nurse candy. It turned out so delicious. What about Phoebe? I'm going to make the tallest sandwich for Wendy. A layer of toast, some cheese, tomatoes, ham, a lettuce leaf. Where's my ham? I definitely put it there. Okay. Moving on. Wait, what? Where's my ham? This is very strange. I'm watching it.
My favorite ham. I'm going to
I knew this. Well, moving on. Collecting my perfect sandwich. Done. Wendy, you can try it. Wow! All of this is for me! Wow! I've never seen such a huge sandwich! And it's so delicious! Oh! Chef Cat! These are cute! Ew! How disgusting! It tastes like canned fish! Oh no! It really is canned fish! How horrible! Chef, I'm not a cat! Well, let's try this one. My favorite strawberry ice cream! That surprised me! You're the winner, brother! Really? Yoo-hoo! I've won!
I tried so hard. And now, a new task. Make a birthday cake.
Well, let's start with the cake itself. Whoa! I'm gonna do something too. Whoa! It smells incredible. I also want to make cake. Wait, it's not working. Come on! Oh, it's over. An idea came to me. I'll take all pieces of the cake, stack them on top of each other, add some cream. Now, taking a spatula and using some magic. It's going to be a beautiful cake. It worked! Look what I've got here. Lots of pebbles. Yep, there's chocolate inside. It's so delicious. Let's decorate the cake. It looks like a green mountain. Well, we're moving on. Pouring soda into a special mold. Now, time for some gelatin. Mixing everything up. Ta-da! We've got jelly now. Taking a knife and cutting the right shape. I need emerald crystals. Absolutely perfect. Whoa! It worked! Everything is ready. Look at this cream! Hey! You hit me right in the face! Well, I will take a bite of your perfect cake for that, Brittany. What have you done? It was perfect! And you ruined everything! You know what? I won't forgive you! You're gonna sit here frozen! Serves you right! I need to urgently fix my cake. Using some cream. Well, that's a little better. And now, I need some diamonds. They're so beautiful. Wow! My cake is shining. Now, we need some snowflakes. I'm gonna decorate my cake with them. Well, one is more than enough. How do you like it? I also came up with a cool idea. Cutting the center out of the cake. Now, I need some rubies. Putting it inside. Hey! What are you doing? Brittany? Well, the cream is so-so. I will destroy you! Oh, I've melted Liv. I can move. Oops. Oh, ha! This is for you! What? Oh no! What have I done?
You don't have any more time.
Okay, I'll hurry up now. Melting chocolate. Yep, perfect. Pouring this chocolate icing over the cake. It looks so beautiful. The whole cake is red. Now adding some crystals. I'm using this huge Chupa Chups. I've got caramel rubies now, and I'm decorating my cake. Incredible! Chef, try it!
Great! I've been waiting for so long! I want to start with Brittany's cake. Let's give it a try. Well, it's rather delicious. It turned out to be a good cake. What about Phoebe's? It's so bright. I'm gonna take a bite. Quite unusual inside. Ew. It's burnt! It's disgusting! And what did Liv come up with? Her cake is the most creative one. Whoa, this is so yummy! This is definitely the best one! And what about the emeralds? Jelly! I love it too! Liv has won!
Yes! The victory's mine! I'm so happy! What do I want now? Right! Make me some pancakes! It's a cool idea, I know!
Oh, Barney, give me the bowl! Give it back!
Grandma! Look at the yarn! It worked! Putting flour into a bowl. Breaking 2 eggs and pouring some milk. Let's whisk it up. Trying it. Yum! Next, we need some… Oh! Oops!
Ouch! Oh, Barney, you could have hit me! Removing the label. I'll need this bottle. Pouring flour inside. And mixing it up. Oh, my back!
Grandma! What a nightmare! Let me help you.
Oh, everything is fine. Thank you, Barney. Oh, and here is my milk. Taking a needle and making a few holes. And look at those tiny little pancakes.
Well, my first pancake is ready. I'm gonna decorate it with icing. Making a dog-shaped pancake. That's an awesome idea. Quentin?
I need to mix the dough! Whoa! What a nightmare! What was that? I'm covered in dough!
It's ticklish, Barney. Stop it! Okay. I knew that dough wasn't my thing. Let's take Hubba Bubba Gum. And Kia! My powers have worked as well. We've got pancakes made out of bubble gum. Adding some syrups. And voila!
And I need to add some strawberries. Ready? Try it.
Wow! Did you make all of this for me? Let's start with this rainbow one. It's a little weird. Whoa! It's bubblegum! Cool! And what do we have here? Oh, dog-shaped pancakes! Cool! And look at these mini pancakes! With strawberries and whipped cream. Delicious! I like it! Grandma, you have won!
Yes! I knew that I had no competition here.